Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now I would like to explain our next material in our speaking class. Our topic is about breakfast. Alright, now here I have a table containing two dialogues which are already divided into formal English and everyday English. Alright, as you can see here, there are some differences in formal and everyday, and I believe that you have already understood which features that make it different. Okay, the first one, would you like coffee to start, and do you want coffee to start? So there is a difference here. Do you want, it's for every day, and would you like, it's more polite way, so it's for formal situation. And then for answering, you have to say yes please if you want to be polite in a formal situation, and if you think that it's quite informal or you want to use everyday language, you just answer please. And then, are you ready to order? Compared to this ready to order, so in formal language, of course, you have to use complete sentence with subject and also verb. But in everyday, you can cut it into simple sentence, but it is understandable because of their intonation. For example, ready to order, so the listener will understand that you are asking something. And then the answer, look at the answer, yes, and then yeah. We have already discussed this so many times that yes is for formal, and then yeah is for informal or everyday situation, and then no for formal and no for everyday situation or everyday language. And then for this one, the same thing. You will say I would like, and then for everyday you just say I want, and then here the things that you want. Okay, so here, yes, I like the bacon and eggs breakfast. Yeah, I want the bacon and eggs breakfast. Sorry. Next, number five, how would you like your eggs? How do you want your eggs? The same thing still, would you like, and we use want here. Over easy. Well, if you are confused what over easy means, here there is an explanation. Over easy eggs are lightly fried on both sides. Okay, and then eggs can also be cooked sunny side up, so it is fried on one side only, and then you can scramble it. So your eggs will be mixed with milk and then stirred and then fried and then soft boiled. So it is cooked in water but still in the shell, or poached. It is cooked in the water but without the shell. For example, when you cook noodle, usually you break the egg and then you put it into the boiled water. So it means that it's poached. All right, then what kind of toast would you like? Sorry, this is typo. What kind of toast? So the same thing. You only use simple phrase, and then here you use full sentences. What do you have? What have you got? So if you want to sound more formal, you can use what do you have. But if you just want to, what's that? A casual conversation. So you just say, what have you got? Okay. It actually has the same meaning with this one. And then you can answer, they are the same here. There is no difference. And then number 10, I'll have an English muffin, please. An English muffin, please. The same thing. So you use complete sentence with subject and verb, but this one only the main point only. Alright, and then there is a note here. Coffee can be black or with cream and or sugar. So there are kind of variations for coffee. And then I have already explained about the types of eggs here. Alright, now you have an assignment to do. As usual, you have to create two dialogues. So the first one, order breakfast in a coffee shop, and then order breakfast in a very expensive restaurant. So by looking at the situation here, of course you can judge or you can determine which one is more appropriate for formal situation and which one is more appropriate for everyday situation. And then you can create your own dialogues, and you can watch several additional sources in the YouTube create your own dialogues and then you practice it by yourself since you are at home by yourself, so there's no partner for you to practice it. That's okay, so practice it by yourself and then record it by yourself and then upload it in IGTV and then copy and paste the URL into the assignment. All right, I think that's all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.